हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू पोकेमॉन एशडे। और मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने अपने पिकाचू को ट्रेन करा था, जिससे वो लेवल 10 से लेवल 13 का हो गया था और उसने क्विक अटैक भी सीख लिया है। और अब हम ब्रोक को हराने जाएंगे, लेकिन पहले तो हमें हारना पड़ेगा ना उससे, स्टोरी के मुताबिक। चलो उसके डैड से मिल लेते हैं। ट्विटर सिटी इज़ ग्रे, द कलर ऑफ स्टोन. This town has always been famous for stone. What was that? The name's Flint. And you are standing on some of my merchandise, young man. These ropes are Pewter City souvenirs. Want to buy some? अरे पत्थर लेके क्या करेंगे? Ha ha ha. Don't tell me you plan on challenging Brock, the Pewter City gym leader. Ha ha ha. You really think you will beat him? Ha ha ha. Yeah bro, I will beat him. पहले अपनी पोकेमॉन की हालत देखते हैं। ठीक है, अब चलते हैं हम जिम लीडर के पास। कहाँ पे है रे जिम? अरे भाई जिम तू किधर है? तेरे तलाश में मैं कहाँ नहीं बता। इन लोगों से हम बाद में बात करेंगे। पहले जिम सकते हैं। Who goes there? My name is Brock. I am the leader of this Pokemon gym. This is your first gym battle, and that Pikachu is your Pokemon. The Pikachu is in its cutest stage. It can't win. As gym leader, I have to accept every challenge. So let's get this over with. देखते हैं कौन जीतेगा गाइस। लेकिन पहले हम जानबूझ के हार जाते हैं, और मैं जानबूझ के हारूंगा मैं टेल व्हीप से। हरा देंगे, हरा नहीं क्या तो वैसे टेल व्हीप करूंगा मैं। चला भरा, अब भी नहीं रह गया नूबड़े, अब हरा दियो। नहीं नाक करते, अब भी नहीं। मैं इतना तगड़ा हूँ, मुझे पता ही नहीं था। मेरा पिकाचू इतना होशियार हो चुका है। वाह वाह वाह, क्या दिन था। वो लेवल 5 का था, वो लेवल 13 का हो गया है। कितनी दुख भरी कहानी है। और ये ख़त्म नहीं हुआ। ओहो हो। और ये मैं ख़त्म। अब बटरफ्री, अटैक कर ले। इधर अटैक क्यों हुआ? इस बार नहीं होनी चाहिए गलती। हो गया bro. Onyx, come back. Stop. I don't want to hurt your Pokemon. Hurt your Pikachu. That's called Disadro. My Gigato is able Pokemon. Player lost against leader bro. जानबूझ के आ रहा हूँ मैं। Mayank paid 104 $Poké as the prize money. मैं invited out. अच्छा पता है। Your Pokemon aren't strong enough to pose a threat to me. Come back when you have grown. Shh. Come with me. अच्छा ठीक है, आ रहा हूँ। Everyone loses sometimes. You can't let that get you down. Brock is very good. His talents could take him much further than just being the local gym leader. But Brock has 9 little brothers and sisters to take care of, so he could never leave town for regional championships. He's good for nothing. Father left the family to become a Pokemon trainer, and they never heard from him again. He is heartbroken. Mother tried her best to hold things together, but sadly she passed away. Brock is the only one his little brothers and sisters have left. So you think you can beat Brock? I may. There's no a way that you can supercharge your Pikachu. This is the town's hydroelectric plant. Follow me. Okay. The river turns the wheel to generate electricity. I believe that it generated some excess power at one time, and it formed itself into a high energy ball. I'm sure this ball could give your Pikachu a power boost. Here, take it. With that light ball, your Pikachu should have a shot at taking out Brock. Good luck, kid. You will need it. You will need. What could this machine be? But it not mess around. Wait, पहले वो बॉल पिकाचू को देखते हैं कहाँ पे है वो बॉल पिकाचू को पिकाचू was given the light ball to hold या वो सही है ऐसे नहीं पिकाचू मत क्या है कौन रखती है चलो अच्छी बात है अब हम चलते हैं चिमलेडो ब्रोक में आ रहा हूँ कहाँ है तू वो रहा इस बात मैं तो झेलाऊंगा Haven't you learned your lesson yet? Your Pikachu is no match for me. You may think you are ready to challenge me, but I can tell you are still a novice. As team leader, I must accept all challenges. So let's get this over with. Let the match begin. Little Brock would like to bet. Little Brock send out Riolu. Okay, then go Pikachu. ये है ना बात मत स्पोर्ट कर ले कुछ भी कर ले लेकिन मेरा ठंडा शॉक अब सुपर चार्ज है हाँ डिफेंस कर लिया थैंक यू भाई बस टैकल ना करियो अभी ये लास्ट शॉट होएगा फिर खत्म टैकल कर दिया तो के बाद इंसान Pikachu's electricity has set off these sprinklers. No matter, let's finish this match. Man got $384 pocket for winning. Leave Onyx alone. Our brother worked hard to raise it. You big bully. Stop it, all of you. This is an official match and we are going to finish it. No matter what. Let the match commence. ठीक है ब्रो जैसे तेरी इच्छा अब बारिश आएगी ठंडा शॉट अभी मैं शायद से हार जाऊंगा अब अपना पोकेमॉन चेंज करते हैं पिकाचू की हालत ख़राब है ज्योति को हटाया कोई बात नहीं रहा पिकाचू को क्वेश्चन देना पड़ेगा सॉरी ये और ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन दे देता हूँ पिकाचू चल भाई चलेगा इट मे बी अनेबल टू मूव तो कुछ भी यूज़ कर दे बस एक अटैक और पड़ेगा इसे भी खत्म I took you for granted, and so I lost. As proof of your victory, I confer on you this, the official Pokemon League Boulder Badge. I received the Boulder Badge from Brock. Just having the Boulder Badge makes your Pokemon more powerful. Mine got for 1000. Wait, take this with you. TM. A TM technical machine contains a technique of Pokemon for Pokemon. Use that TM teaches the move it contains to a Pokemon. A TM can be used as many times as you want. A TM move can give your Pokemon and contains Rock Tomb. It hurls borders at the point and lowers its speed. Man, I lost to you. You beat me in battle and you'll be kind to all Pokemon. To tell you the truth, I get more pleasure from raising Pokemon than to making them better. I don't care about being a great Pokemon trainer. I want to become the world's best breeder. But I can't live here because I have to look after my brothers and sisters. Mike, I want you to take the world back and fulfill my dream. Bro, you go follow your own dreams. My father, I couldn't become the great Pokemon trainer I wanted to, and because I was such a failure, I was too ashamed to go back to my family. But it's time I started taking care of my family. Bro, you go fulfill your dreams and mine. Then it's time I started my journey to become the world's greatest breeder. Thank you for everything, man. ऐसे भी भाई. Thank you कहने के लिए तुम्हें. ठीक है, bye.